Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make miso soup using miso paste. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 4 cups of dashi stock, which is the foundation of this delicious soup. Next, select your favorite miso paste. White, red, or a blend all work wonderfully. Don't forget some firm or silken tofu, dried wakame seaweed, and fresh green onions for garnish. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare the dashi stock, the heart of your miso soup. Start by combining 4 cups of water with a piece of kombu seaweed in a pot. Gently heat it, removing the kombu just before the water boils to prevent bitterness. Then, add about 1/2 cup of bonito flakes, letting them steep for 30 seconds before straining. This quick step yields a clear, flavorful broth that will elevate your soup. With your dashi ready, it's time to incorporate the other elements. First, rehydrate about 1 tablespoon of dried wakame seaweed in a small bowl of water for a few minutes. Next, cut about 4 ounces of firm or silken tofu into small, bite-sized cubes. Crucially, never boil miso paste. Instead, dissolve 2 to 3 tablespoons of miso paste in a ladle of warm dashi before stirring it into the main pot. This preserves its delicate flavor. Finally, let's bring it all together for a perfect bowl of miso soup. Once the tofu and wakame are warmed through in the dashi, gently stir in the dissolved miso paste. Remember, it's very important not to boil the soup after adding the miso, as this can diminish its flavor and beneficial properties. Ladle the warm soup into bowls and garnish generously with freshly chopped green onions. Enjoy your homemade, comforting miso soup immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.